Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Jlab earbuds and placing them on a clean, flat surface. This prevents accidental taps or damage. Once done, select the replacement tip size, small, medium, or large, so you can confirm fit before removal. Make sure to have good light and steady hands. This reduces fumbling and helps you see the nozzle. These steps speed the swap and protect seals and drivers. Because handling the nozzle gently prevents tearing the silicone, you remove the existing tip by gripping the firm base where it meets the earbud. Avoid pinching the thin silicone edge, which tears easily. Pull straight off with one steady, even motion. Twisting can stress glue or adapters. Once removed, inspect the nozzle and speaker mesh for lint or wax and clean gently with a dry, soft brush or cloth if needed. Doing this prevents audio muffling and ensures the new tip seats fully for proper seal and sound quality. You align the replacement tip over the earbud nozzle, centering the hole, and press firmly until you feel it snap or seat. This ensures an airtight seal. Once attached, give a light tug to confirm it's secure. If it slides off, stop and try a different size. Then pair and play audio to verify sound and comfort. Listen for leaks or muffling. If problems persist, clean the nozzle again or try the next size, because a proper seal equals better bass and isolation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.